All right, here I had a 2013 Nissan Pathfinder with these two codes, P0171 and 174 lean codes. I had the 3.5 engine liter on it, and from experience, I just know that when I see a lean code, um, here I have the short terms pulled up. It's probably a vacuum leak. So what I did was I was revving up the engine, and then you can see that the fuel trims were getting better. They were going down. And just from a visual inspection, I've seen this before, but on this one, there's a hose in the back, and what happens is it rips and then it just collapses, or it collapses and it rips, I guess you can say. So if you look back there, that hose right there, it gets a huge hole, and it affects both banks. So if you have this engine and you have these lean codes, it's probably just this hose back here. And what I did is I just got a 3/8 hose, just some hose I had, and I replaced it with that. You could also use this. This is a fuel line though, but the measurement is 3/8. I just got one from like Amazon, some silicone hose. And then when I turned the car back on, and where I had that hose replaced, the fuel trims were just getting better on their own. So if you have this car, same engine, check that hose and with these codes. So hopefully it helps you out.